Model, 1978 Volkswagen Transporter Westfalia Pop-Top Camper MOT Tax Exempt. Body, green, camper. Mileage, 80,497. Engine, 2000 cc. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox will need replacing as fourth gear pops out and the other gears are whining. It still starts and drives, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in nice condition. Interior is in good condition. Rear camping area is in great condition, this will be absolute bargain for someone grin. Features, 4 former keepers, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.